Welcome to Genius Connect. Please subscribe and share.
Hello friends, this is Isha from Genius English Medium School and from regular section. Friends, I am going to share one story to you people today. You all love to listen stories, right? So, before few years back, there was one alien who came in our planet Earth. He met me. The name of the alien was Jadu. So he wanted to explore so many things in our planet. He went in so many places, he explored so many places. He had some doubts also which I have cleared, which I would like to share with you people. He went in so many places. So he had seen many of the plants, many of the adaptations of the plant. Here you will have a doubt, right? What is an adaptation means? Adaptation means any change in the structure or the function of a plant or an animal by which it becomes better suited to survive in its habitat. It is called adaptation. What is the meaning of habitat over here? Habitat means where the animals and plants are living. It is called a habitat. Where we people are living, it is our sweet home. We are calling it, it is our habitat. So the Jadu was having so many doubts. He went in many places, he had seen many plants. He was having doubts also that how this plant is having this adaptation. So let us clear his doubt now. Number one, he went to the river. So he had seen all the aquatic plants. What is the meaning of aquatic plants? Aquatic plants means the plants who are growing in water are called aquatic plants. Then Jadu asked me two questions, that why the plants are growing on this particular place and what are their adaptations. So let us solve his doubt again. So plants, those who are growing in water, it is called aquatic plants. There are three majorly aquatic plants. Number one, fixed aquatic plants. Number two, floating aquatic plants. Number three, underwater plants. Number one, first of all, floating aquatic plants. The plants which are growing upside of the water bodies, and those who are moving along, those who are floating along with the water are called the floating aquatic plants. For example, water hyacinth. Water hyacinth is floating aquatic plant. Number two, fixed aquatic plants. Fixed aquatic plants have a vexed structure. So it is growing upside of water, but it is not floating along with the water. That's why it is called a fixed aquatic plant. So this plant is not floating along with the water, such as lotus. Lotus is not floating along with the water. Water lily, it is also not floating along with the water. It is fixed aquatic plants. Then underwater plants which are growing downside of the water bodies, such as Hydrilla. It is growing downside of the water. That's why it is underwater plant. Then after, Jadu asked me another question, that what is terrestrial plants? He went to a desert, he went to a plains, then he asked me. So let us solve this doubt today. So terrestrial plants. Number one, plains. The plants which are growing in open ground, an open place. It is called a plains. And these plants are called the deciduous plants also. The plants such as a banyan tree, it is shedding its leaf when the autumn season is coming. That's why it is a deciduous plant. Then number two, hilly region plants. Hilly region plants are generally in a conical shapes, and they are growing cones instead of fruits. That's why these plants are called the coniferous plants, such as a pine and fir trees. Then number three is windy region plants. Windy region plants are generally flat topped, and we can call it is in umbrella shaped also. That's why, because if heavy wind will blow, then also this plant will never fall, because it is in an umbrella shape. Then number four is desert plants. Desert plants, as we all know, they have very well developed root system. Their root system is so long downside below the soil. That's why it is always in the search of water. That's why this root system of desert plants is very much well developed. And desert plants, even they have thorns, such as a cactus plant. Okay, cactus plants are having thorns on their body surface. That's why always it is preventing the plant from the loss of water. Then Jadu went in the marshy region. Marshy region plants, their roots are above the soil, and it is called a breathing root. Generally friends, as you all know that plants are breathing with the help of stomata which are present on their leaves, but the marshy region plants, they have a breathing root. The exchanging of gases is going on between the directly root and the environment. So breathe is only breathing, that's why it is called a breathing root. So friends, we have seen the adaptations of the different plants in the different areas. Thank you.
I hope you all would have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Genius Connect and put on the notification to receive more such videos. Like and share this video too. Thanks for watching.